Khalifa, man.
This is the court case of Mahoney versus Prince George's school system.
Let me step into the courtroom. So, Ms. Mahoney, it's known that in school you've been having a lot of issues. You've been fighting. You've been attacking the teachers. Do you have anything to say about this? Because we've dealt with this a lot of time. You've been in here, in and out. Do you have anything to say?
Them teachers, they don't know me. They be talking to me any old kind of way, like I'm a kid. They be putting their hands on me, so I put their hands back on them.
No, in a court of law, that does not work.
No.
So right now, I'm going to ask your mother to speak. Do you have anything to say about her right now?
I have nothing to say. I've been trying to put my all into raising her.
She's a lie.
Excuse me.
She sells drugs.
Ma'am.
There's nothing more I can do for her. I've been doing all I can since she was born.
Okay.
She is a crackhead.
Please.
She is a crackhead. She be selling.
Solid, ma'am. Due to these circumstances, you're going to be sent to Johnson & Johnson Vocational School, or you can spend up to 1 year in juvenile detention. So it's your decision right now.
No decision. Neither.
She'll take the school. She'll take the school.
Right.
Why should I have to go? She doesn't do anything for me. She's a crackhead. She don't.
Miss Mahoney, you're going to be sent to
all
Johnson &
the
Johnson. Excuse me.
Down the street.
Officer.
She go and back
Officer.
Dating them down the street.
You're going to be sent to Johnson & Johnson Vocational School. If I
I
see you back here, you're going to prison.
Crackhead.
Next case.
Okay, please state your full name.
Jamal Williams.
Okay. And your full name?
Melanie Johnson.
Okay. This is a domestic case, domestic violence case. First, I'm going to ask you to give your background history on him, your background history on her. Then I'm going to ask you to plead your case, and you can plead your case. It's fair enough?
Okay, Your Honor, we've been married for about 15 years, and I would say probably about 3 years into our marriage, after like the kids came in, after we had about 2 children, he decided, and he lost his job as well, and so basically I had to take on like the financial issues, and basically he would.
How long did he lose his job after you were married?
I'm sorry?
How long did he lose his job after you were married?
About 2 years, and then he basically he was out and he just kept trying to search for jobs, but it just didn't work out. So basically I'm guessing the stress of trying to find a job, he basically put that on me. So constantly he would just come home drinking, and and it came up to one night he just got really angry. He just started hitting me, and ever since then in the relationship he's just been beating me like every night constantly.
Your Honor, that is not what's going on.
Your Honor, that is what's true. And then on Saturday, July 15th, that's when it really things got really bad, because he sent me to the hospital with cuts, with glass cuts on my hand, and basically broken bones. I broke my elbow and everything, and I broke my ankle as well. And my lawyer has all the files of everything that happened, of the incident that occurred.
Okay.
And I just can't take this marriage anymore because I don't deserve that.
Can we speak? Give me 1 second. Did he ever find a job?
No, he did not.
Never.
I'm still the the financial person.
Primary.
Right.
Okay.
Handling everything.
Okay, let me hear your side.
First of all, she's alive.
Your Honor, that is not true.
Okay, I let you speak.
That's why I didn't talk when you was talking. So anyway, I have a real good job. So that's for one.
Where do you work at?
Shorty, the only reason why you have
Okay, you're speaking to the judge. Where do you work?
I work for Def Jam.
So let me guess, you're a rapper.
Nah. I'm an executive.
Okay. Do remember you're under oath. So explain to me what's going on.
She talking about.
Are these accusations true?
No. Look, sure.
Please refrain from using profanity in my courtroom.
No, I'm sorry, but those cuts came from when we was at a Halloween party. She got drunk. She wanted to drive. She crashed the car. And the glass from the crash cut.
Okay.
This is what he did to my arm. Stop lying.
She's been known to drink and drive. cry. She's
You
going
see,
to
Your
court
Honor,
for
how
that.
she's acting in front of the camera? I mean, she's been occasionally drinking.
Can I have your
I've
proof?
heard, you know,
Any
she's
type
not
of
safe
proof?
with the kids at
Proof of
all.
what?
Any type of proof
Well,
that he did anything to
My
you?
lawyer has a hospital bill. I mean, I can't put these. I can't scratch it myself. Can I? Can I break my own arm?
A hospital
No, I
bill
can't.
doesn't prove that my client has done that.
She doesn't prove
Well, here we have a picture of her face. As you can see, her right eye is badly bruised from a punch that she claimed that he did. Also, we have taken samples from her hair to the lab to get DNA samples to see if the blood samples was actually his. So,
And as you can see, my client has several cuts on him, and you know,
Your Honor, our kids witness what happened, and so if it's necessary, if you want me to bring Malika into this courtroom, I will do that.
and why would you bring your little daughter?
Because you're
Okay,
lying.
Your Honor,
Just
see how
speak
this
to
is
me.
your daughter
Your Honor,
to-
he's lying. Our children were in the room when this happened, when he broke my arm, when he cut me and everything. I can bring them into this
Do you
room, and
have
I don't
any
want to put
other
them through that.
witnesses?
No, I do not. Except for the officer that came on the scene, but he's unavailable today. But it should be in your books as well.
say a few words.
Okay, do you have any type of paperwork stating where you work?
No.
So you have no type of proof? You're just coming in here, you're expecting
I
me
mean,
to...
look how he's dressed.
Okay, okay. You're
I'm
expecting...
cuddled down to the socks. What
Okay.
is she talking about?
Order in the court.
Executive.
Order...
That's
So you're expecting me to go off of your words, basically?
We have
Okay.
proof. We
It
have
doesn't go
proof.
like that. It doesn't work
Yeah,
like
it
that. The
doesn't work
court
like
does not
that.
work like that.
that.
Based off of your lack of evidence and proof, I'm going to order you, I believe her, I'm going to order you to 2 weeks of anger management,
Thank you. You need that, Jamal.
and that's going to begin on next Monday, the 10th.
Your Honor, what about, you know, the kids and her drinking problem? I don't feel like...
I don't
feel
have
like
any
there's
Do you
drinking
have any
problem.
type of proof?
There's
Any
nothing
type
on
of
record
proof?
to state that
You
I had
didn't
any
hear how
kind
she
of
talks
issues.
saying that she wants to bring her kids in here and see all of this?
Because he's lying, and we found it out today that you were
Okay,
lying,
Your Honor.
Jamal.
You're talking to me.
I'm
not
sorry.
to the defendant.
You can just tell by her attitude how she came in here and was talking.
Okay, unless there's any type of proof, I can't go
Well, I'll
off
be
of
back
anybody's
next week.
words. Okay,
I'll be
well,
back
when you
next
come
week.
back and you have that proof, then the next judge will do what they have
Nah,
to
it'll
do.
be you.
Is that a threat?
Okay, okay. I'm going to order you to 2 weeks of anger management beginning on the 10th. You're going to have to pay $250 retribution fees.
That's pennies.
Oh, she
Do I need to up it? Oh, okay.
Do what you gotta, girl.
Okay, well, we're going to have to pay $400 of retribution fees,
Go ahead.
along with her medical.
Hold on.
Do you have any type of
$400.
receipts, anything?
Oh yes, here's a receipt when she was
Oh, that's wonderful.
dated
Okay.
into the hospital for the severe bruisings.
Okay, dates match up. All right.
Got it.
Totaling $3,000. That's a total of $3,400 in fees.
That's it.
Just
2
served
weeks
today.
beginning on the 10th. Dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I never want to speak to you again.
I don't like you. With my kids.
Thank you very much for coming out this evening. Thank you. You're far too kind.